Turning now to specific situations, let me begin with Darfur, Sudan. It will be recalled that this situation has been under investigations by my office since 2005. But it will also be recalled that former President Bashir's regime refused to cooperate with my office, neither were my investigators allowed to enter Sudan. But despite these challenges, every effort continued to be exerted to collect evidence and strengthen our cases against the 5 persons against whom arrest warrants have been issued. Since the removal from power of former President Mr. al-Bashir on the 11th of April 2019, the Republic of the Sudan has been undergoing an extraordinary political transition. However, the situation on the ground remains volatile as various parties endeavor to find workable solutions to find lasting peace for Sudan. Justice will be an important part of this process. And notwithstanding various media reports suggesting that Sudanese authorities are willing to hand over the 5 individuals against whom the ICC has issued warrants of arrest, including Mr. al-Bashir, to date, there have been no official communications with the court to confirm this. And as we speak, none of the 5 ICC suspects in these situations have been surrendered to the court by the government of Sudan, and the arrest warrants remain in force. My office continues its efforts to meaningfully engage with the authorities in Sudan, in Khartoum. But that said, the COVID-19 pandemic and conditions on the ground have hampered progress in this regard. I have continued to urge the transitional authorities to honor their commitments to deliver justice for the victims in Darfur without delay. And they can do so by surrendering the 5 suspects to the court, or alternatively, as provided for by the court's legal framework, they may also choose to genuinely investigate and prosecute the 5 suspects in Sudan for the same criminal conduct alleged in their respective ICC arrest warrants. For my office to take the investigation forward, it is crucial that Sudan's new authorities give their green light to my team to access the territory of Sudan. As the state where the crimes are alleged to have occurred, Sudan has the sole capacity to grant my office access to crime scenes, key witnesses, and documentary and forensic evidence critical for the effectiveness of this investigation. I will shortly submit my 31st report to the UN Security Council in the preparation for my briefing of the Council on the 10th of June. I hope I could also count on EU support in urging Sudan to fully engage and cooperate with my office with a view to ensuring long-awaited justice for Darfur victims.